Welcome to Module 2. This module is divided into multiple submodules. During this module, we'll embark on a journey to explore the essential building blocks of data literacy. From understanding the core terminology to grasping key concepts, we're diving into the foundational elements that will lay the groundwork for your data literacy skills. Let's get started with the first part, data types. Before we start looking at properties, data types, and structures, let us start with a fundamental question: what is data exactly? Data refers to information that can be collected, stored, and analyzed. It can take many forms, such as numbers, text, images, audio, and video. Data can be structured or unstructured, and it can be quantitative, numerical, or qualitative, descriptive. The data can be primary data, which is collected directly by an individual or organization through surveys, interviews, experiments, or observations. Data can also be secondary data, which is data that has been collected and compiled by someone else, such as government statistics, industry reports, or online data sources. In summary, data is information that can be collected, stored, and analyzed. Data is an important resource that can be used to make informed decisions, identify patterns and trends, and generate new insights. Now, let's have a look at the different types of data. Each data type has specific properties, characteristics, and behaviors that are associated with it. The most common data types include numerical, categorical, and text data. There are several different types of data, starting with numerical data. This type of data is numerical in nature and can be further classified as discrete or continuous. Discrete data can only take certain values, such as whole numbers, like 1, 2, 3, while continuous data can take any value within a range, for example, temperature or weight. Then we have categorical data. This type of data is used to group items into categories. It can be further classified as nominal or ordinal. Nominal data represents categories that do not have any order or ranking, such as gender or hair color. Ordinal data represents categories that have an inherent order or ranking, such as education level, high school, college, graduate. Next up is textual data. This type of data is in the form of natural language text and includes data such as comments, reviews, and social media posts. Image data. This data type consists of digital images, such as photographs and videos. And audio data. This type of data consists of digital audio recordings, such as music, speech, or sound effects. Time series data. This type of data is a collection of data points collected at regular intervals of time. It is commonly used in fields such as finance, economics, and weather forecasting. Geospatial data. This type of data is geographic in nature and includes data such as coordinates, maps, and satellite imagery. Lastly, we have sensor data. This type of data is collected from sensors, such as temperature, pressure, or motion sensors. These are some examples of data types, but there are many more types of data, and new types are constantly emerging with advancements in technology. It is important to understand the type of data you are working with, as the appropriate methods of analysis and visualization can vary depending on the type of data. We will discuss data visualization techniques in detail in upcoming modules. This slide provides an overview of the three primary types of data: structured, unstructured, and metadata. Understanding these data types is crucial for effectively managing and analyzing data assets to derive valuable insights and inform decision-making processes. Structured data is highly organized and follows a predefined format, making it easily searchable and analyzable. Unstructured data is data that does not have a specific format or schema and does not fit into traditional data models such as tables in a relational database. Lastly, metadata is data that describes other data. Now let's delve deeper into each data type and its implications. Structured data is easy to search, sort, and filter, and can be easily integrated into other systems. Structured data is usually stored in databases and can be queried using SQL, structured query language. This type of data is typically composed of rows and columns, where each row represents a single record and each column represents a specific field in that record. The columns have specific data types and constraints, such as integers, strings, dates, etc. This format makes it easy to search, sort, and filter the data. Examples of structured data include customer information in a CRM system, financial data in an accounting system, inventory data in an ERP system, or data in a spreadsheet. Then, we have unstructured data. This type is usually unorganized and can take many forms, such as natural language text, images, audio, and video. It is often difficult to search, sort, and filter and requires specialized tools and techniques for analysis. Examples of unstructured data include social media posts and comments, email messages and attachments, PDF documents and images, or audio and video recordings. The increasing amount of unstructured data being generated and stored has led to the development of new techniques for processing and analyzing unstructured data, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and text mining. It's important to note that unstructured data can be converted into structured data by using techniques such as data wrangling, data cleaning, and data normalization. This process is called structuring unstructured data. Unstructured data is more difficult to search, sort, and filter and is typically analyzed using natural language processing and image recognition techniques. Metadata is used to improve the discoverability, understandability, and management of the data it describes. Metadata is important because it allows users to find, understand, and use the data more easily. It can also be used to improve data quality, ensure data security, and meet regulatory requirements. Additionally, it can be used for data discovery and cataloging, for example, for search engines or data catalogs, which in turn helps to improve the discoverability and accessibility of the data. There are different types of metadata, including descriptive metadata. This type of metadata provides information about the content, structure, and format of the data. It includes information such as the title, author, date created, file type, and file size. Then we have administrative metadata. This type of metadata provides information about the management, use, and preservation of the data. It includes information such as the date created, date modified, and data quality. Technical metadata. This type of metadata provides information about the technical aspects of the data, such as the file format, resolution, and compression used. And structural metadata. This type of metadata provides information about the relationships and organization of the data, such as the hierarchy of a document or the relationship between different data elements. We hope you now understand the importance of metadata. In the next module, we'll dive into the importance of data quality.